wraps her tongue around the body of the grasshopper
Get your tongue out.
and swallows. The four showing out with the thoughts of the tale that goes like this. The chameleon
Now that grasshopper is going to turn off and disappear.
got her energy from the grasshopper.
And
That got her energy from the caterpillar.
now,
That got his energy from the plant. That got her energy from the sun and grew at the edge of the forest.
Green anaconda, lying in the sun so easily. Green anaconda, slip and slide, fast and strong, passing by the stream on a swampy log. You're born alive, you never had, you hide with the water and make your catch.